welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are presenting a landmark luxury address in Worli, Mumbai, Skyplex by Raheja Universal. In this video, we'll talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Skyplex is a 74 floors ultra luxury residential tower set to redefine the Worli skyline. This exclusive development offers timeless 3, 4 and 5 BHK residences designed with expansive layout, panoramic decks and premium specification. The key highlight includes prestigious Worli address, only 3 apartments per floor, efficient large format layouts, wrapped decks offering panoramic sea and city view, 21 exclusive residences positioned between the 50th to 57th floors. If we talk about the location and connectivity, so this project is located in Worli, one of the South Mumbai's most prime residential and commercial district. The project offers seamless access to key city landmarks like nearby connectivity include Bandra Worli Sea Link is approx 7 minutes away. Prabhadevi railway station is approx 7 minutes away. Piramal Museum of Art is approx 5 minutes away. Wellington Club is approx 7 minutes away. This ensures smooth connectivity to BKC, Lower Parel, Nariman Point and other major business hubs. And the best part is amenity. Skyplex offers a curated luxury lifestyle with premium amenities such as Grand Clubhouse, Infinity Swimming Pool, fully equipped gym, spa and wellness zone, private lounge areas, indoor games room, landscape garden, and the focus is on exclusivity, privacy and elevated urban living. And now let's talk about pricing and configuration. So at Raheja Skyplex, the residences are divided into signature Skyplex home and premium residences across floor 11th to 49th. Starting with the signature residences, so the 3-bed Fortuna Skyplex offers a spacious 1752 square feet carpet area along with a 166 square feet deck featuring stunning sea-link view priced at 12.49 crore onwards. The 4-bed Skyplex Dresden comes with an expansive 2151 square feet carpet area and a 329 square feet deck offering beautiful race course view. Moving to the residences between the 11th and 49th floors, so the 4 BHK Solitaire features a 1599 square feet carpet area with a 71 square feet deck priced at 8.23 crore onwards and is currently available on the 11th and 38th floor. The 4 BHK Cullinan offers 1804 square feet of carpet area with a 97 square feet deck priced at 11.18 crore onwards and is available from the 35th floor onward. And the 5 BHK provides 2077 square feet of carpet area along with a 141 square feet deck priced at 10.70 crore onwards and is available from the 11th floor onwards. So if you like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below so we will connect you in the further process. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more luxury property updates.